Welcome to Venoge Cottage. I'm Mrs. Weaver.
And I'm Mrs. Willard.
And we love to cook. We'll cook anything within reason.
Today's culinary adventure:
fish pudding.
Let's meet our cast of ingredients.
2 cups breadcrumbs, 2 cups fish, milk, 2 to 3 eggs.
Are we ready to begin, Mrs. Willard?
We are.
Puddings are not always sweet. They can also be savory. Here is a recipe for one. First, select the large bowl. Begin by tearing your fish into small bits. We used a fresh cod, a nice firm fish. In 1826, dried or salted fish was common. This explains why there is no salt in this recipe.
Enough breadcrumbs?
Perfect.
Grate your breadcrumbs. Use an amount equal to the fish. Add the breadcrumbs to the shredded fish. Next, add the eggs. Use your judgment to decide how many, 2 or 3. Add enough milk to just moisten the mixture. Pound the ingredients together. The mixture will need to be put in a mold for baking. A ring mold works best. Grease it liberally. We used lard. Firmly press the pudding mixture into the mold, keeping the top as flat as possible. Remember, this will be the bottom of the pudding after it is baked. Have a good fire going and place your baker in front of it to warm before placing the pudding in to bake. In modern terms, we would call this preheating. Baking time is about 45 minutes, depending upon how hot your fire is. You will want to rotate the mold halfway through the process. Place the mold on the table and allow it to cool. Take a knife and loosen the edge of the pudding from the mold. Place a plate on top of the mold and flip the pudding. It will then drop out. According to your taste, you might add dill, thyme, onions, salt and pepper, and perhaps make a butter and lemon sauce to go with this. It is equally tasty when reheated or toasted before the fire.
That's a nice texture, too.
Nice.
Total time to make, 1 hour.
This is delicious. Until the next time.
We'll see you in the kitchen.
Ready to begin, take 2, action!
Are we ready to begin, Mrs. Willard?
I am.
Let's go.
What was that?